Oh, what it is, yo. Oh, what's up? Can Tea with Nature just keep in touch? Welcome or welcome back to Tea with Nature. And remember, we do everything here with a cup of tea. So go ahead and take a sip, and let's jump into the video. Guys, I know I have been absent for about 5 months, but your girl is back, better and ready. And I figured we can do an unboxing. I got this in the mail today. I am ready to open it. The tape is already cut, so let's jump into the goodies from Avant Agenda. Y'all know this is my favorite shop. I am subscribed to the monthly subscription. So I'm going ahead and take everything out. So let's see. Ooh, okay. So we have the January 2022 pencil swatch card. So we're gonna swatch that later. And this lets you know what's in the January planner and stationery box, because I do have the planner and stationery box and then the pencil, pens, and more subscription. So let's see what we got for this month. Okay. So for this month, the first thing I see here, this is cute. Goals framework, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. I really like this. I actually have something that I created like this in my planner for my goals, but I love this. This is perfect. Oh, yes. I love it. So this is called the Goals Framework Half-Page Dashboard. So keep this half-page goal framework with your yearly goals planner inserts to reference the highly effective SMART goal setting method to set your goals with intention and set yourself up for success. Yes, it is all about success in 2022. Love it. Okay, so let's see what's next. Nothing can dim the light which shines from within. Maya Angelou. Oh, I love this dashboard. So this is a Maya Angelou quote dashboard. So it's a stay on course with this transparent dashboard featuring the quote printed in a powerful block font with cutout accent words. I like this. This is nice. Can't wait to add that. So I'm going to add that. Ooh. Okay, we have some yearly planner inserts. Okay, so you have the yearly goals planner inserts. Plan the year with these versatile yearly overviews and goal planning inserts. They include 2 layouts for the year ahead, goal setting inserts, and space for affirmations, reflections, notes, and whatever else you can dream about. 29 pages. So let's see. Now, what I love about the subscription box from the shop is that she offers a variety of sizes. So I do the classic. So here you see it says yearly planner. You can put the year. I love the fact that it's undated. January through December is on the front. And then your notes with the grid is on the back. I like that. So you have, ooh, okay, let's see. And then you have this setup. I like this. So January through December as well, but it's smaller boxes. You have the notes on the back. And then you have the yearly goals here again. So you have goals, take a step. Steps to take. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. I really like this. I was thinking about making something like this on my own, but this is wonderful. This came right on time. Oh, and then the yearly reflection is on the back. So you have, what am I looking for? Yearly affirmation. I am grateful for. Good things that happened this year. How could I have made this year even better? This is awesome. 2 sets of these. This is perfect. Okay, so this one says goal planner. So my goal, why do I want this? What happens in 1, 3, and 10 years if I do not follow through with this? Steps to take to achieve this goal. Okay, that is nice. And then you have goal setting. So it has vision and goals, steps to take, potential challenges, financial costs, and current progress. This is awesome. And then have my goals. So you have your home, finance, health, relationships, fitness, and self-development. And then you have a couple note pages. Awesome. And there's a note page on the one that's behind my goal. So that is perfect. I'm actually going to keep this to the side because I can't wait to put that in my planner. This is going to be perfect for this new journey I'm on. So let's set that to the side. So next we have the large page flags. I like this. This is a perfect size. This will actually be perfect in my DSM. If you are in the health profession, you know what a DSM is. They're actually coming out with a new one in March. So this is perfect. I do have the other one that she offers in her shop, the Page Flag Duo, with a smaller size. So you can see the difference. This would be really good for marking books and journals, textbooks, any type of reading books, any type of material like that. Okay, so the next we have the, what are these called? Let's see. Oh, this is a little sample. Ooh, I like this. This is, okay. So this is happiness. The true secret of happiness lies in taking a genuine interest in all the details of daily life. The true secret of happiness lies in taking a genuine interest in all the details of daily life. I like that. By William Morris, Happiness. And it just says the same thing over and over again. This is pretty. Is this like a rose gold or a champagne color? I'm not sure if they're showing up the true color on camera, but this is very pretty. This is a nice drug card. And okay, this one is a January card for Capricorn. Boo, Capricorns. No, I'm just playing. I'm a Scorpio. And it's February. What is February? Oh, Aquarius. And then March, which is a Pisces. These are nice. Awesome. I like that you have the next few months on here. Perfect. And then this is some grid notebook, not dot grid, grid notepad. So it says, with a subtle gray grid, this notepad is perfect accessory for creatively mapping goals, sketching layouts, and taking notes. It is printed on a smooth, heavyweight paper, 50 sheets each. Let's see. Beautiful. It's almost like a pink, like a soft gray pink. This is pretty. Oh yeah, I like the thickness of the paper. Nice, perfect. Okay, and then the last thing that came in this was a sharp mechanical pencil. I love getting the mechanical pencils. They're my favorite. Let's see. How do you open this one? Alright, so we have the, I'm not going to try to pronounce the mechanical pencil. What I'll do is I'll put it in the description, but here it is. Let's see. Ooh, nice. It says hi. And actually, I have the mechanical eraser that we got in a previous box here. Not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I will link it. And let's see how it erases. Oh, this pencil erases very nice. Awesome. Love it. Okay. This pencil writes very, very smooth. Very smooth. Cool. I like that. I like it. I like it. Okay. Let's see. Now we're going to open the pencils, pens, and more part of the subscription. Okay, that was weird, I know. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I was going to buy a set like this from another shop because I wanted the scissors. And look, I didn't have to. This is perfect. Okay, so let's open it. I love the color of this. I love the color of this whole set. It's like a gray, and this bag is giving me life. Okay, listen. So we have the stainless steel scissors with acrylic handles. So this is stylish and versatile, perfectly sized for both on the go and daily use in the office, craft room, and kitchen. They are wonderful. They're very sharp, which is good. So, you know, and they're lightweight. Like the handle is very lightweight. Beautiful. Look at them. I will link everything, like I said, in the description box. And then we have the, which pen? The M&G gel pen. So it's this one. It's a black gel ink with a fine needle tip, clear body with a gray core. Sorry, it's actually this one. This is the gel pen. So let's see how it writes. I always try to shake up my gel pens. Ooh, that's nice. They write very smoothly. It didn't smear. Nice, nice, nice. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, and the next one is, oh, this is a pencil. Fashionable Hues mechanical pencil. So this is a soft gray pencil, coordinates well, offering an elegant alternative to the typical mechanical pencil, lightweight and refillable. We get lead. Ah, we got lead. So this is the lead right here. So the M&G pencil lead. Keep extra pencil leads on hand in a sleek case that snaps closed. Get 20 pieces. This is nice. For my mechanical pencil lovers, you never, like the old-fashioned ones, the Bic brand, you never had like a cute closure. Like, it would always break and you would always lose your extra lead. You guys see I'm obsessed with this. I'm already playing with it, but stop before I break it. So let's see how the pencil writes. Ooh, love it. Oh, I love the pencil. And it's, I like the thickness, like the way you can hold it. The grip, perfect. And then next we have the Mirandi. I hope that's how you pronounce it. The Mirandi color gray eraser. So it's another perfect hybrid of minimalist and functional design. This stick eraser coordinates perfectly and is easy to hold. So let's take it out the packaging so you can see it in its beauty. I've never seen a gray eraser. I've only seen like the old-fashioned pink erasers or the ones you would stick on the back of a number 2 pencil. But I've never seen an eraser in gray. This is cute. I don't even want to use this. It's adorable. Oh, I like the flexibility. This reminds me like of an eraser you can get. The cute, like the way it's flexible reminds me of the ones you get in the Scholastic Book Fair. That's what it is. And then you have the Heaven transparent pen pouch. So the transparent material of the pouch allows you to see what is inside easily. Button and elastic closure through all your pens, pencils, and more. Scissors, sticky notes, pretty fags, and stickers. I like it. So let's see. Ooh. Let's stick everything in there. Now, Avant Agenda Shop has a lot of great accessories on there. She's also released a bag that has the signature on it. I actually need to buy that bag. I keep forgetting. Stick all my goodies in here. Alright, now do I know how to tie this back on here? Because I'm a little, I don't know. If I get this wrong. Look, all that fits. Perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I love everything in here this month. I always do. I think my favorite would have to be, I don't know, the goal planner. Like, this was perfect, and I think it was perfect because it was right on time. And then the goals framework right after that. Like, that was perfect. So guys, if you see something you like, go ahead and shop at Avant Agenda. Link is in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what was your favorite out of the haul. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.